Welcome to CCN TV News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Stay tuned for breaking news. You know Kinolife, Jahvonii, and Colaz for their epic content. The videos that make you laugh, inspire you, and keep you clicking that next video button. But what if I told you their biggest secrets aren't on camera? Forget everything you think you know. This isn't just about likes, views, or subscriber counts. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on acts of generosity you've never seen. The sacrifices, the community missions, the moments they never filmed but will forever change lives. The question is, can your favorite Jamaican YouTubers truly change the world? Or is it all just for show? By the end of this video, you'll see a side of Kinolife, Jahvonii, and Colaz you never imagined. And you'll have to decide for yourself which of them is leaving the biggest mark on Jamaica. Kinolife isn't just a storyteller. He's a catalyst for change. Through the Trenchtown-based charity Kinolife in Jamaica, the Dream Team, he helped build a home for Natisha Ferron in southern St. Andrew, putting sweat and heart into walls that now contain dreams. One video captures the unforgettable moments locals call the big day, when those bricks and mortar became more than a structure. They became a lifeline. In these meticulously framed shots, you'll feel how a simple act, building a house, translates into dignity, safety, and hope. Behind the lens, there's Kinolife lending his platform, rallying help, and proving influence can build futures. Jahvonii's content pulses with energy, but humanitarianism beats at the heart of his narrative. In video after video, like cooking for the homeless, he's seen preparing meals, steaming pots of stew and rice, and serving those in need with genuine warmth. Every ladle he offers isn't just a plate, it's a moment of recognition, a nod to humanity. He's creating dishes and dignity, reminding us that kindness isn't passive. It's made, served, and shared. Colaz Smith platform goes beyond adventure and vlogs. It's become a channel of care. He's donated food items to the St. Anne's Bay Women's Center and continues to deliver meals to downtown Kingston homeless communities. But his impact doesn't stop there. In a standout of largest, he championed a donation of $500,000 to the Baby Opera Foundation, a move that illustrates how digital influence can mobilize tangible support for critical causes. That's not just content, it's consequence, showing how one creator can bridge cameras and compassion on a wider scale. So why share these stories? Because they show that influence matters most when it's matched with intention, building homes, feeding neighbors, fostering hope. These creators aren't just making videos, they are stewarding change. Now it's your turn. Which act moved you the most? Kina's life home building, Jahvonii's heartfelt meals, or Colaz's large-scale giving? Drop your thoughts in the comments, pick your inspiration, and remember, the next story of change could be yours. See you in the next video.